Is AI for everyone on Coursera worth taking in 2026? If you're curious about artificial intelligence but don't want to learn programming yet, this review will help you decide if it's the right course for you. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently one of the best ways to access this course and thousands of other top-rated programs. AI for Everyone is taught by Andrew Ng, one of the world's most respected AI educators and the founder of DeepLearning.AI. The course has attracted more than 2.5 million learners and holds an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 52,000 reviews. It's one of the most popular beginner AI courses on Coursera. The biggest advantage is that you don't need any coding experience. The course takes around 7 hours to complete and focuses on understanding AI instead of building AI models. You'll learn what artificial intelligence can and cannot do, common AI terms, how companies adopt AI, and why responsible AI matters. This course is ideal for business professionals, managers, entrepreneurs, students, and anyone who wants to understand AI without becoming a programmer. If your goal is to build machine learning models or become an AI engineer, you'll eventually want to continue with Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization. If you plan to take more than one AI course, Coursera Plus offers much better value than buying courses individually. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Stanford, DeepLearning.AI, and many other leading institutions. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $239 for the entire year, making it an excellent investment if you want to continue learning beyond a single course. Overall, AI for Everyone delivers exactly what it promises. It gives beginners a clear understanding of artificial intelligence without overwhelming them with technical details. That's why it continues to be one of the best introductory AI courses available in 2026. If you're ready to start learning, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.